Hi everyone, nice meeting you all. Be safe and take healthy food. Fine. Today we'll see about mouse. It's one of the important parts, or it's an input device for a computer. Okay. So we already saw about keyboard. Keyboard was invented in which time, it is around 1874 by Latham Scholes. Okay, fine. So mouse was invented in 1960s by Douglas. Okay. So previously it was a mouse with a serial bus. It is supposed to be known as serial mouse. Now it is totally obsolete. We don't have that. They don't use it. Now we have either PS2 mouse or a USB mouse. Mouse is somewhat similar, but the connectors are different. So USB they use because the data transfer is faster. Okay. So we are going to see only externally, and it should be user friendly, how you can replace, how you can identify the issue, whether you have a problem in the mouse or in your software on your connector in your motherboard. So we want you to understand and see that you can easily isolate the issue and resolve the problem. Fine. So if it is an in-depth issue, it is sure that you have to call a technician. Okay, fine. Look into this. It's a mouse. Probably you'll be using it. It is known as pointing device. Why it is known as pointing device? You can also select your menu or any application before running. You can select through keyboard. But remember, mouse is an easy device where you can directly drag that pointing device known as cursor, select on that, click, it will open. So that is how it is designed in your software. Fine. So this is a mouse where we are going to see externally. You have a left click button, right click button, and center one wheel known as scroll wheel. So the left click is supposed to be to activate your menu. Once you are selecting a application or a menu, what you have to do is drag the cursor to that place, select it, click the left click. In case you want to deactivate, sometimes what happens, you can click the right click button, it gets deactivated. Okay. So sometimes what happens, I'll be clicking left click and it deactivates and my right click activates. So in that situation, you should actually see whether a left-hander was sitting in that machine or he was using the mouse, because they will actually, what will happen, they will go to the mouse option and change the properties. So you have an option to change the properties. Either this left click can be changed to right click and right click to the left. So depending on what is your, actually you are a right hander or a left hander, common user. Fine. So what is this scroll button? Fine. Instead of scrolling the cursor or selecting, you can do it even in your keyboard. But if it is an easy way of scrolling, it will go to your next page. It will go to your next page. Fine. So this is about your scroll button. So the scroll wheel, if it is not functioning, you also have a click on it. So what is this click? I'll show you in the next episode how to do that and what what is the function of this clicks. So first you know about the mouse externally. So you have a left click button, right click button, a scroll option. Then it is a wired mouse. So mouse has an USB connector, and there is also an PS2 connector where we don't have now. It is not manufactured because motherboard doesn't come with a PS2 mouse connector. Fine. Okay. Then what is the other mouse available? Same type of mouse. You have left click, right click, and a scroll button. Instead of scroll button, we have a roller ball. It is a roller ball. Here in this mouse, it's a scroll wheel. Here it is a roller ball. Fine. You can scroll through this roller ball. But see, we don't have a wire here. So it is a wireless mouse. It is a wireless mouse. Fine. So how do we connect? You have a receiver. The transmitter is inside your mouse. So this will send data, and this receiver will receive it, and you can insert this receiver in your USB connector. Whichever USB connector is available, free, you can fix in that. Okay. So mouse and keyboard is an input device. It only sends data. It cannot receive data. Fine. Okay. How to isolate issues in your mouse? Sir, I'm not able to click the left button and it's not functioning. Only my right click button is working. Fine. You cannot disable, and it won't be disabled. So either what you have to do, swap. Take a new mouse and fix and check. So if the left button and right button clicks are okay, then there is an issue with your old mouse, and the new mouse is working, then your software is also okay, and your mouse is also okay. So you can replace the mouse. Sir, I am not able to scroll. So again you will be having an issue here. There isn't any software which will disable your scroll. So again here, swap. Replace another mouse and confirm. Fine. Okay. So this is all about mouse we are going to see. Once I am going to get inside your system for your OS application, operating system application, I will let you know how to identify software issue and hardware issue with this device. Fine. Thank you.